In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in a Power BI table. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an image on your report page so it complements your table and elevates the overall presentation. First, launch the Microsoft Power BI app on your computer. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you're using the report you want to enhance. Open your report file so you're on the page that contains the table you plan to update. If you're working with multiple pages, switch to the one where the image should appear alongside your table, such as a header area or a branding section. Look to the right side of the screen for the Visualizations pane. This is where all visuals live, and it's the control center for formatting. If you don't see it, ensure the pane is expanded. Hovering or clicking the icons will reveal it. From the Visualizations pane, select the image visual. Power BI will place a placeholder box on your canvas. You can drag and resize this box to align it with your table, above it as a logo, beside it as a reference image, or anywhere that supports your layout. Keep the visual selected so its formatting options appear. With the image visual selected, open the formatting options and go to the Style section. This is where you define how the image is sourced and displayed. You'll see options to pick the actual picture and control how it fits inside the frame. Choose Image as the source. This tells Power BI you're going to supply a file rather than pulling from a URL or a field. Click Browse to open your file picker. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the picture you want, and then click Open. Power BI will load the image into the visual. Take a moment to refine how it looks. In the Style area, adjust the image fit, fill, or fit to width, so it doesn't look stretched or cropped. PNG or SVG files usually look crisp, and transparent PNGs work great for logos over colored backgrounds. Keep file sizes modest to help your report remain responsive. Resize and position the image visual so it aligns cleanly with your table, and use the Canvas guides to keep everything neat. For accessibility, consider adding alt text in the visual's general settings so screen readers can describe the image. If the image visual doesn't appear, updating Power BI Desktop to the latest version often resolves it. That's all you need to seamlessly add an image that enhances your table's look and clarity.